The 2023 Breakout is Harley-Davidson's artwork drawn in a piece of paper. It is the definitive Harley-Davidson Sketch, long, forward, and low slung. It has been 10 years since we saw the first Breakout, and for 2023, it has transformed to something better than ever. The Breakout now has a 5-gallon fuel tank. Powered by the Milwaukee-eight 117V twin engine that has the highest torque and displacement in a factory-installed, regular production Harley-Davidson powertrains. The Breakout now has a 240mm rear tire and 130mm front with 26-spoke roulette wheels that look as if they are moving standing still. Quite an imposing addition to the overall attitude of the bike. The Breakout comes in 4 deep rich paintworks: Baja Orange, Black Denim, Atlas Silver Metallic, and Vivid Black. The soft-tail chassis paired with the suspension makes the Breakout a much more comfier ride. All the modern conveniences a rider needs in 2023 without having to compromise the overall classic style that traditionalistic riders love so much. Starting price for the Breakout ranges from $20,999 to $21,524 The 2023 Breakout is part of a 120-year celebration lineup for Harley-Davidson, honoring their rich heritage, thus revealing new motorcycles and products that are better than ever. Subscribe and hit the notification for the next project. Thanks for watching. See you next time.